In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task on Basecamp. First, open your web browser and head to the Basecamp login page. You'll see the sign-in form. Enter your work email, click Next, then type your password to continue. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you belong to more than one organization on Basecamp. Once you're in, you'll land on your Basecamp home screen. Find the project where the task lives and click it to open. Projects are the containers for everything related to your work, so make sure you choose the correct one. Inside the project, look for the To-Dos tool and click it. This is where all task lists and individual to-dos are organized. Each to-do captures the work, who's responsible, and when it's due so your team stays aligned. You might see multiple lists, such as backlog, in progress, or sprint, depending on how your team structures work. Open the list that contains the task you want to assign. Now select the specific task. Click the task title to open its details. The details view shows the description, any attached files, and the conversation thread, giving you full context before you assign it. Here you can assign people and adjust the schedule. In the assignment field, start typing the teammate's name. Basecamp will suggest matching people who are already part of the project. Choose the correct person from the suggestions. Right below, you can set or adjust the due date. Pick a date that's realistic, add a time if needed, and consider how it lines up with other project milestones so nothing overlaps. Before you wrap up, glance over the details to make sure everything looks right: the task name, the list it's in, who's assigned, and the due date. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. That's the moment your update is recorded. The assignee will receive a notification in Basecamp, and the task will show up on their to-dos, and if you set a due date, on the project schedule as well. If you ever need to revisit it, just return to this task and you can tweak the assignee or deadline the same way. If you don't see someone in the suggestions, they may not be part of the project yet. Clear task titles and realistic deadlines prevent confusion and keep the team moving smoothly. That's it. You've signed in, opened the right project, navigated to to-dos, selected the task, assigned it, adjusted the schedule, and saved your changes.